Today we're going to learn how to make some amazing French toast. Here we're going to use 1 full egg and 1 egg yolk. We're using the egg yolk to avoid having too much of a liquid solution with more egg white. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 cup of milk. Whisk in your ingredients until they're completely combined. This I typically do for about a minute. Grab 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence and whisk. Add some vegetable oil or grapeseed oil to a pan on medium heat and add some butter as well. Add your bread into your mix and be sure to completely coat the bread with the mix. Place into the pan. I typically let cook in one side for about 2 minutes on medium heat before flipping to the other side. You will repeat until you've used up all. When you're all done, stack your French toast and garnish with some fresh berries, butter, powdered sugar, and maple syrup. You can also sprinkle some cinnamon on top as well. I think we're able to get about 6 French toasts out of the recipe, and also with the ingredients that were used, just wanted to point out that the milk was 2% milk and the eggs were free-range eggs. For your pan and frying of your French toast, here we used grapeseed oil and salted butter. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you do try the recipe, please come back here and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.